Hello and welcome to my channel, Mastermind Productions. Today I am going to teach you some simple tricks, by using which you can create a magic square in just 2 minutes and you can impress anyone with your mathematical knowledge. Magic square is actually a square, with one characteristic that its all sides adds up to give only one number. In this case the number is 15. If you add any row, any column or diagonal values, you will get 15 as a total. Let's create a magic square quickly. I will tell you the tricks and steps afterwards. If you check the totals, you will notice that it's 15 for all sides. So it's a magic square. Whenever you start creating the magic square, always start with the cell at middle row of last column. I have yellow highlighted that cell. And you just need to follow just one simple rule, down and right. Whenever you put one number, next number will be put at the cell which is down and right of the first one. Suppose we started from left corner, so put 1 in left corner, go down and right and put 2 in the middle cell. Observe the down and right mechanism. And follow the same to put 3 in lower right corner. See other examples which will clear the idea of down and right rule. Whichever is the starting cell, just go down and right to put next number. Now here comes a tricky situation. If you notice, we have put 1 in last column and when we go down and right, we are actually going out of the square. So where to put next number then? In this case, we will put the next number in the first cell of the corresponding row. See the green highlighted cell? We will put the next number, that is 2, in the first cell of that row. So idea is putting the next number in the starting cell of corresponding row. This is the tricky situation we have to handle to get the magic square. Here comes another situation, where 2 is in last row of the square and when we go down and right, we are going outside the square. If you notice, it is the cell which is corresponding to the middle column. So like the previous situation, we will put the next number in starting cell, that is first cell, of the corresponding column. So we will put 3 in the top cell of the middle column. Here we come to the last trick out of 3. Just observe the situation. Here when we go down and write from 3, there is already a number 1 in that cell. The cell we want is already occupied. In this case, just put the next number in the left cell of the number without going down and right. So 4 will be put in the cell on the left side of the number 3. Same situation will arise if we go down and write from the corner cell, in this case. Notice that if we go down and write from number 6, we are going to a cell which is not corresponding to any row or column. It is completely outside the square and not neighboring any row or column. So we cannot go to the first row of corresponding row like the second situation. So we will consider it as a third situation and will put the next number just left the original number. So number 7 will be put just next to the left of 6. Now we will just continue using all the tricks we learned for down and right rule and will complete the square. So 8 is put in first cell of corresponding column and then we will put the 9 in the first cell of the corresponding row. And we will get our magic square. 15 is the magic number for this square. Now let's create it from the start. Take out your pen and paper and start doing it with me. Observe the 3 tricky situations in the preceding. And use our tricks with a magical rule of going down and right. And you will get your magical square. If you check the totals, you will notice that it's 15 for all sides. So it's a magic square. It is not necessary to always start from the number 1. You can start from any number you want and continue using the down and right rule to get your magical square. Let's start from number 5, you will get a magical square with magical number 27. So you can play with it as you want. You can start from any number and make it more complex so your friends will be impressed with your mathematical knowledge. You can use the same rule and tricks to create more complex squares of size 5 by 5 or 9 by 9. You have to start from the middle row of last column and use the same tricks. I will make a new video on how to create bigger squares. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified when I will post my next video with new tricks. Till then, do it yourself. Play with it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and share this video and spread the knowledge. Also please subscribe to get the latest updates on new posted videos. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.